Hey friends, welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where we transform everyday spaces into rustic chic havens inspired by Michael del Piero. Today, dive into 14 stunning kitchen makeovers blending modern woods and warm neutrals. Pure cozy magic that'll spark your next reno dream. Imagine stepping into this rustic chic kitchen where the L-shaped layout flows effortlessly. Modern oak cabinets in soft taupe hug the walls, and that butcher block island invites quick chats over breakfast. Sunlight pours through big black-framed windows, highlighting the herb garden outside and warming the reclaimed oak floors. Black iron pendants sway gently, artisanal pottery lines open shelves, and brass touches add just the right sparkle. It's all about zoning for cozy. Cooking and family hangs, turning everyday meals into something special. Pure Michael del Piero magic that feels like home. Hidden gems make this kitchen shine. Lift-up panels reveal a flour mill and coffee nook, tucked away in sleek wood that blends right in. Beige plaster walls glow under natural light from farmhouse windows. Oak herringbone floors creak invitingly underfoot. The black iron sink stands proud, fluted glass doors hide gadgets without a trace. Brass pulls gleam softly. Textured backsplash adds cozy depth. Functionality meets farmhouse charm, so you prep like a pro without them. Clutter stealing the show. It's thoughtful design that warms your heart. Picture the range area transformed by a fluted oak accent wall, framing the hood like rustic artwork. Soft beige plaster and creamy shiplap ceiling create that perfect neutral hug, while oak floors stretch out wide. Sunlight dances on brass knobs and matte black accents, double ovens ready for feasts. Limestone counters with subtle veins add elegance, herbs drying overhead for fresh flavors. This focal point upgrade screams Del Piero, elegant yet earthy, drawing you in for cozy cooking sessions every time. Over the quartz island, a massive blackened iron chandelier steals the spotlight, its glow mimicking candlelit evenings in daylight. Walnut cabinets wrap the space in modern warmth. Textured walls in country neutrals feel so inviting. Wide oak floors lead your eye to grid windows bursting with greenery. Wine fridge hums quietly, leather stools beg for a perch, soapstone sink shines. It's the heart of home's centerpiece that makes gatherings unforgettable, blending luxury with that lived-in rustic vibe effortlessly. This peninsula's a game changer. Fold down surfaces and pull out shelves for extra prep space in reclaimed wood. Limewash walls in beige whisper calm, Beamed ceilings add character overhead. Oak floors radiate under bay window sunlight, framing pastoral views beautifully. Matte hardware and outlets blend seamlessly, perfect for baking marathons or casual bites. Versatility shines here, making your kitchen adapt to any mood. Del Piero's touch turns function into fun, warm, and welcoming every single day. Sneak into the walk-in pantry with slatted oak doors swinging open to LED-lit shelves brimming with goods. Plaster walls and neutral cabinets keep it cohesive. Oak floors flow right through. A side window bathes it in garden light. Brass pulls and wicker baskets add charm. Lazy Susans spin effortlessly in corners. Storage nirvana without the visual chaos. Everything has its spot. It's that smart, hidden organization that lets your kitchen breathe easy, feeling spacious and serene. Hand-troweled plaster backsplash in earthy beige steals the texture show, flowing into the wood hood vent smoothly. Taupe cabinets with brass accents pop against oak planks. Picture windows flood daylight over the greenery. Farmhouse faucet in blackened finish drips character. Open spice rack handy nearby. Layers of depth create tactile bliss, pure country charm. This upgrade wraps your kitchen in cozy elegance, making every wipe down feel like pampering the soul. Angle that cooktop island toward the window wall for non-stop garden views while you chop. Oak base cabinets in neutral wash ground the space. Shiplap ceiling with cans lights it just right. Herringbone oak floors guide the flow. Matte black range and pot filler gleam in daylight. Pull-out trash stays discreet. Streamlined workflow for daily magic, turning chores into joyrides. Del Piero's layout tweaks make cooking a delight, warm and wonderfully efficient. Under the cooktop, deep drawers for pots and pans glide out with organizers galore, fronts in modern wood perfection. Lime-washed walls and exposed beams overhead set a cozy tone. Arched windows sparkle sunlight on iron hardware. Oak floors stretch invitingly, towel bar right there. Accessibility at its best, no digging around. This hidden storage upgrade frees your mind, lets creativity flow. It's the kind of detail that makes rustic chic living so effortlessly chic. Vaulted shiplap ceiling in soft taupe soars, high black iron rails adding edge up top. Island pendants in modern wood cast pretty shadows. Beige textured walls embrace you. Wide oak floors welcome bare feet. Clear story windows pour in greenery light. Recessed layers amplify the airiness. Rustic elegance gets a volume boost, feeling grand yet grounded. Del Piero's ceiling magic opens up the space, filling it with light and love. Floating reclaimed oak shelves hover above the sink, herb planters tucked among pottery beauties. Neutral cabinets below balance it out, plaster walls softly glow. Bay window sunlight warms the oak expanse, matte brackets hold steady. Vertical display without counter chaos, genius. Greenery views inspire daily. This setup turns blank walls into personality-packed zones, warm and whimsical just like home should be. Baker's corner cabinet pops with dough roller pull-out and proofing drawer magic, all in taupe-stained modern wood. Country beige walls cozy it up, beamed ceiling watches over. Polished oak floors shine under oversized window light, brass labels add flair. Specialized spots for your passion projects. Baking efficiency soars here, fun and functional. Del Piero's thoughtful nooks make dough-kneading dreams come true, deliciously warm. Brass inlaid wood range hood with live edge shelf crowns the cooking zone like royalty. Neutral plaster surrounds it lovingly, oak bases anchor below. Herringbone floors weave texture, black framed windows spotlight verdant scenes. Integrated clock keeps time stylishly. Sophisticated rustic statement that elevates everything. Sunlight caresses every detail, pure elegance. This visual wow turns heads, wraps your kitchen in timeless charm. Zoned coffee bar nook delights with built-in wood cabinet, grinder drawer hidden smartly, mug shelf stacked neatly. Shiplap backing in warm neutral, oak floors extend welcomingly. Window light bathes the garden scene, iron sconces flicker softly. Marble tray for your rituals. Morning routines get luxurious lift here. Del Piero's dedicated space brews joy daily, cozy and oh so inviting. There you have it, 14 game-changing rustic chic kitchen ideas with smart layouts, hidden storage, and Del Piero vibes that warm the soul. Loved these? Hit like, subscribe for more inspo, and drop your fave in the comments below. Let's chat kitchens. See you soon.